Hi everybody, my name is Kubani and today I'm going to show you how to design this. So let's go to Photoshop and then Control N, bring it up. Let's make it 1000. Make the height 2000 pixels. Okay, 72. Can call it my logo. All right. Nice. Now anytime you want to create a 3D logo with a mockup, make sure the background is always off. Okay, so double click the lock icon there, and then we want our background off, else we'll not be able to get the output the way we want it. Okay, all right, so let's go for our logo. Now this is a silver kind of logo that we are going for. So if your client wants a silver metallic type of logo, this is how you go for it. You want to type your name of your business, Kingdom. Let's make it caps, right? Let's use impact. But someone said I like impact a lot. I like using impact a lot. Yeah, I know. I can't help it. I can't help it. Alright, so Control J to duplicate it, bring it down. Let's rename it Solutions Solution GH, and I want the font to be Arial. Let's reduce it. Solutions GH. Resize it a little bit, and then let's increase here to 1. I think this is good. Control J to duplicate it, bring it down. Perhaps put your slogan or your telephone number there. Let's see, 020 000 020 Alright, so now we have it, or do we have it? Okay, so we have it. Yeah, we have it. Let's bring the solutions here a little bit. Okay, let's bolden this. Let's come and make it black. Wow, guess we have to resize it all the way again. Let's reduce this one, make it around 100. Let's make it 80. I think 80 will be the best. Yeah, I knew it. So 80 is gonna be good. And let's change the colors. Let's make color blue. Let's make it more vibrant colors. Right? Vibrant colors. Which color should I choose, guys? I'm confused. This color is good. Definitely good. Let's make this blue. Deep blue. Let's make it, in fact, let's make it black. Let's leave it black. Then the logo head, let's make it gray. Okay, solutions has also take a different color. Let's make this one, let's tone it down a little bit. Alright, so now that we have it, I told you make sure the background is off. Okay, click telephone number here, click Control Shift Alt and then E, puts everything in one particular layer. Then alright guys, so once you are done with your logo, it's just easy. Just go, I'm going to leave a link to this particular logo mockup in my description for you to download. Okay, it's free for you to download. Just click here where it says replace your logo, double click it, and this is gonna come, and then you go here and then move your logo there. Okay, move your logo there, and then you resize it, just like this. Click the logo you met, the initial one, unmute it, or just delete it. Simple, right? And then you click here and then you click here, come back in. Now if you don't like where if you want to come down a little bit, you just have to go there and retweak it, re-edit it. Okay, pull it down a little bit, and then it comes down a little bit for you. So guys, I'm so grateful for you watching all my videos. I have a lot of videos, I just want you to check them out. Thank you so much, God bless you. Subscribe so that anytime I release new videos you will be updated. Also click the bell icon, and then like the videos and comment below. Any videos you want me to do, just comment below and I'll do them for you. Okay, so thank you very much, God bless you, peace out.